Thank you, Judge, for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to present my views on the most important topic nowadays because people say the famous statement, I don't have time. So, so coming to the time management, how to manage your time? Only thing is that I will like to say in one line, you cannot manage time. You can manage your activities. You can manage your priorities. So time management is about activities management. It is about priorities management. If you don't have priorities in life, you will sleep for 10 hours. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
Even if you have scheduled, I want to do exercise, but if you are not passionate enough, if your goal is not clear, what will push you to wake up in the morning at 5 a.m.? Nothing will push you. So you cannot manage time. You need to set up the right priorities in life. That is more important. If you have that priorities, if you have that clear goal in mind, then time management is automatic. Your activities management is automatic. So it is about setting priorities in life. Okay.
Yeah.
So first step, have a clear set of goals where you what you want to achieve in the next coming 2 years, in the next coming 5 years or 10 years. Then break down those short-term, mid-term, long-term goals into smaller goals. Come to yearly goal, then come to monthly goal, then come to the daily goal. And that daily goal is something which is, I need to do it. I need to do it today only. So that is what is important. So there are two things. One thing is important, other thing is urgent. Important means which is moving you closer to your goal. That is important. If my child is crying, that is not important for me. I need to pick the child, that is urgent for me. But picking the child, maybe I can delegate to my wife, to my father or mother. I can delegate. But what is important for me? I need to be there. Someone else cannot replace me. So I need to understand what is important, what is urgent. Because a lot of time people get confused between these terms. What is important, what is urgent. So first I need to do things what is urgent. It may be important, it may not be important. If I am talking to a boss, bell is ringing. I need to answer the calling bell.
Yes.
I will tell my boss, sir, little bit, 1 minute, just a minute. I need to answer the calling bell. That calling bell is urgent for me. Talking to boss is definitely important for me. It is about my job. Yes, that is important. To the first quadrant, that is Q1, quadrant number 1. It is urgent and important.
Yep.
Things which is urgent and at the same time it is important. Do it now. Second
Yes.
quadrant, it is urgent but not important.
Mm.
Think who can do for you. Can you delegate it? You need to think that because your time is important, right?
Yeah.
Then not urgent but important.
Yes.
Then schedule. You may decide to do it in a later time. If not today, maybe tomorrow. You may
Yes.
postpone it. It is not urgent, but it is important. It is to be done, but not now. It is
Yes.
important, right? And not
Yes.
urgent, not important. Delete it, eliminate it. So
Yes.
we need to learn in life how to say no to many things. Because if we'll be going to say yes to so many things, it is like eating, putting in your mouth so much that you are not able to chew, right?
Yes.
So it is very important. Only eat
Yes.
that much, but you can chew. Otherwise, don't eat it. Watching a movie, Netflix binge session, reading the comments in a news article, going to your friend's birthday party, going to someone else's marriage ceremony. That is not important. Try to say no to those things. Delete it. First, do what is urgent and important. Then do what is urgent but not important. Then do what is not urgent but important. Okay. Then comes not urgent, not important. Everybody of us, we are blessed with 24 hours of time, right? And it is about how best you utilize those 24 hours of time. Some people can do multiple tasks, so many tasks in a single day because they are organized, right? time is very important. Time is money. You can lose money and get money, but once time is gone, is gone. So I want to conclude myself, and thank you so much.